following video was inspired by my recent high school play in one of its scenes, which will be in the description below.
Anyone want to watch Hannah Montana? Oh, it's Samir. Santa Claus, Caitlin, Jack, Paul, Wayne, Lizzie. I just got a breaking news from the crazy cat lady, one that might change your whole lives. And?
Not now, Samir.
But this is urgent news. For even you too, Scott. We're all in danger. I'm not in danger, Samir. I'm the bad. Are you trying to break bad or something?
Look, everyone, this is all a misunderstanding.
The androids are right? Like, what's gonna happen? Are you gonna be, I don't know, invaded by another app from the App Store? Well then, explain what's sitting on the bench over there. I told you. Well, you're all rage about it. Shh.
Get off me, Santa.
You gotta be kidding me. Z-Cut people, what are you doing here? But why are you even here in the first place? I'm surprised you passed the security. I guess we could use better security then. Is there anyone else we should know about? Oh. Okay. Well, this is just getting weird.